I thought I would share with you our large family morning routine. And welcome back to my channel. I'm Christi Riverton, and today I thought I would share with you our large family morning routine. Recently we just moved, and if you have not subscribed already to our family vlogging channel, I did put the house tour over there. I will do an updated house tour over here once I have everything settled and unpacked. So as you're watching the video today, you're going to notice that I have a hair. You're going to notice that there are boxes and such here and there throughout the house. So that would be why, and that's why all of the background seems very different. So we're very excited to be in our new home. It's very bright and airy and we love it. There's lots of space for our family. If you'd like to see that house tour, I will link it down below, and you can also check it up or up above here. You can also check it out over on our family vlog channel, Love Jar Vlogs. So let's get into our morning large family routine. And don't forget, if you like videos like this, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to click that subscribe button if you are not already. So this is one of the features that I really love about our new house. We have this heater in our bathroom, and I'm very cold-blooded, so I love to get out of the shower and have that warm air blowing on me. I use it every morning. Anyway, I like to start my day with a shower, and then once I'm done with that, I will start my skincare routine. If you notice, my hair is dry here. I do not wash my hair every single day. I usually wash it like between 2 and 4 days, just depending on what I've been doing and what time of year it is, because I wash it a little bit less in the winter time than I do in the summer. Anyway, I'm starting my morning facial routine here.
Sometimes I can feel her arms holding me as forever. Time changes everything, and everything will change in time. Love changes every heart, and any heart can change you. I see in you my mother's eyes.
Now that I've put in my contacts, I'm going to go ahead and put my makeup on. This isn't something that I do every day. As a matter of fact, I don't even wear my contacts every day. It really just depends on my mood, what I'm feeling. But today I decided that I was going to wear some makeup. And how much makeup I wear really varies on the day as well. Sometimes I don't wear any, sometimes I wear a little bit more or less. It really just depends on my mood. But I have noticed since I have reached my 40s, I no longer wear a lot of foundation. I do more cover up and things like that. I focus on the eye area, my eyebrows, and that's what I'm doing here is I'm doing some eyeshadow, some eyeliner, mascara, a little bit of brows, some concealer, and then I'll wear some blush and then some lipstick.
There's a legacy between us. We grow, we go, but in the middle, time changes everything, and everything will change in time. Love changes every heart, and any heart can change you.
One thing I do try to do most days is to wear a lotion and perfume that just pick me up and make me feel good for the day, as well as pick out some jewelry that just kind of makes me feel pretty, whether I'm wearing makeup or not. And then, of course, I usually bring out any laundry that is in our bedroom and bring that into our downstairs bathroom, and I'll just throw that in the hamper for now.
Around the way you look is so amazing, amazing. I could stare into your eyes for hours.
I wanna tie that goes on me.
You wanna wear a tie today?
What is this tie?
So as you can see, my youngest is very independent. And in that video clip, you saw that he was picking out his clothes in the morning. He now likes to do that the night before. So that way he can just get up and already come downstairs and be ready. So he's very independent, and usually he will come down and get me up in the morning. He's a very early riser, and so he'll get breakfast, and then I'll usually take a shower and get myself ready while he's eating his breakfast. And then once he has gotten himself dressed for the day, he will, and picked up his dirty clothes, he will help make his bed. So you'll see him doing that here.
Make me feel so alive. I wanna stay with you, never say goodbye. It's like we're in paradise, like we're in paradise,
Laundry. And make your bed. Yep, get dressed.
Fly, I'm not coming down. Maybe it's the way you move, babe, move, babe. You've got that body and that smile, make my head spin round.
So at this point in the morning, once he has gotten his bed made and I've helped him get his room tidied up and ready to go for the day, we'll then go down to the living room and just tidy up the couch and get that ready to go. Pick up anything from the night before if we were watching movies or anything like that. Any toys that the kids may have left down, I'll have them claim as their own. So what you saw him grab were the toys that he left. And then we'll go back upstairs and Aspen will clean up his breakfast from the morning.
Tonight, you know you make me feel so alive. I wanna stay with you.
Good job. Nice work. Right here, clear table. And you made your own breakfast this morning? So you can mark set the table, huh? Good job. Start waking up. School day. Come on. Wake up. Zane. Zane. Hey. Zane. Zane. Hey. Zane. Start waking up. School. Hey, come on. Start waking up. School. Get up, get dressed, eat breakfast. Come on. Hold on. All right, so it's finally time for me to have some breakfast. I'm gonna have some strawberry banana yogurt this morning. And then after I've had my breakfast, I will put in one of my wax melts. This morning I decided to go with a peach papaya. I've really liked the peach scents this spring. And I really like my house to just have a good smell to it when you walk in the front door. And I usually like it to smell like something you'd be cooking or baking or something fruity or flowery.
The time when I get things right, lost in the shadows of a...
So once I've fueled up and had my breakfast for the day, I've opened up the windows and let some light in, and I'll usually go around the main floor of the house and do that. Because I feel like it puts me in a better mood. It makes me more motivated once I get the windows in the house open, no matter if it's a gloomy day or a sunny day. And then I like to get started on my dishes. So I'll empty any dishes that are in the dishwasher if there are any in there. And then I'll go ahead and get started on my recycling and loading my dishwasher, doing any hand washing of dishes that might need to be done.
If I come too far, pick me up when I'm in pieces. Oh, that halfway heart of mine is a rolling stone.
On school mornings, I do a lot of cereals and quick, easy breakfasts, things like that, so that the kids can be really independent and help themselves, which helps me to get things done in the morning to get our day started. That way our school day does not start too late.
Sing to me if I lose my voice. Set a better route if I lose my course. Count on my company and I will come. Say
After I finish the kitchen cleanup, then I'll take my multivitamins. I give my kids theirs now at night. I used to give them to them during the day, but I would forget who had taken theirs, so. Just load of laundry and then it's time for school.
I need a towel.
Oh, right there, baby.
Thank you. I'm gonna go take my shower now.
All right, honey.
Halfway, heart of mine is a rolling stone. Make me roll right home. Baby, I'm stuck with a halfway heart. Slip away if I come too far. Pick me up when I'm in pieces. Oh, that halfway, heart of mine is a rolling stone. Make me roll right home. Halfway heart. Send a little love, I'll make it back. I could fight it through till the darkness turns to light. One more night, one more night. Say it's gonna be okay. 'Cause this winter is so long, feels like it's haunting me. Say there's gonna be a change. 'Cause I feel like I'm
All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video today. Don't forget to click the bell for notifications so you never miss when one of our videos drop. And hit that subscribe button if you are not already. And I will see you in the next video.